Let's introduce our expert in the studio, Dr. Vandana Punjabi, senior consultant dermatologist at the Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital in Mumbai is here with us. And how lovely is she looking in those holy colors herself. Good morning, Dr. Vandana. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you?
Very well. I must say, Dr. Vandana, is this the busiest time in the year for you where people come after they've had a good time or before they want to come have a good time and ensure that nothing goes, haywire? Like our friends in Moneycontrol were also saying that why spoil your skin, why spoil your hair for just about a couple of hours of fun? But there is a safe way to play Holi as well. Could you share some tips with our viewers on particularly what to do with hair, since that's such a major issue? What to do? Some people wear bandanas, others find it very ugly to do so. They just want to go haywire, make fun reels, as that's the biggest trend these days, playing colors. So, what do you recommend to be done with hair?
I do agree that you have to take care of your skin and hair. Even though you're going to be playing for a short time, you should see that your hair is tied, with a bandana or a scarf or a cap, so that, you're having the least exposure of the colors to your scalp so that it doesn't cause irritation. One thing I would like to tell my viewers is that, avoid oil application. They can apply a light serum. A lot of times people apply oil on their scalp or hair, and this can cause irritation, folliculitis, because the hair is tied with the oil for a long time, and probably it's covered with a cap, and they are soaked with water, so that causes a lot of irritation. So they shouldn't be applying oil. A serum is good enough, and I think that works really well to take care of your hair when you're playing with the
So,
colors.
the
And of course,
idea is to build a barrier, right? To build a
correct,
barrier on
correct.
your scalp and hair so that the chemical doesn't penetrate.
That's right.
That's the whole idea.
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
okay. So, when it comes to post care for hair, then what does one do? So, you can be cautious and you can have some herbal colors and play just with that, but you can't control your friends and neighbors and family who will come and pour some pakka rang sometimes something else on you. So, for those who can't help and get out of the situation, what should they do after they have been drowned in colors
So I
for
think
hair?
when we, yeah, post care, yeah, for hair, right? This is for the skin. So for the hair, what we should do is apply a very mild sulfate-free shampoo for removing the color, and use a good conditioner. See, we have to understand the colors are not going to go away from the skin or hair immediately. If it's a pakka color, it's going to take its own time. It's going to take about a week, 10 days. So there's no point in scrubbing and rubbing the scalp or the hair or the skin. You're going to just cause more damage. So use a very gentle sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, and just take care that you don't keep on washing it every day. So don't over excessively wash your scalp. That will again irritate your scalp.
Right, right. So you're saying be then patient about it. Don't feel that you're going to go out, go into a shower and come back the same person. It's going to take its time, and there's no need to keep scrubbing it till the time it's off, because you're only irritating your skin more by doing that.
Correct.
Perhaps the same principles apply on the skin as well, Dr. Vandana, then.
Yeah, so it applies the same thing on the skin also. So on the skin, we use, as you mentioned, a micellar water to remove, the color from your skin very gently. Avoid rubbing, scrubbing. Be very gentle with your skin. And another thing that we should remember, that a lot of times this colors can cause irritation. So make sure that you've already prepared your skin previously. As mentioned, we should be applying a good sunblock with a moisturizer. So what I've seen that people apply a lot of oil on their skin also. Or they're applying oil on their lips, they're applying oil everywhere, because oil is a very Indian thing, and it causes a lot of allergies and folliculitis in our skin and hair. So we should avoid that, and I think that's important.
Yeah, you're right. Because also what happens is you end up eating a lot of sweets, a lot of greasy food, and that doesn't help your skin either. So breakouts post Holi is going to be, how does one deal with that then?
So breakouts post Holi, as I already said, not rubbing the skin, taking care, applying the right kind of colors, not scrubbing the skin. Even the eyes should be protected because the eye area can also get, irritated. And another thing is that, as mentioned, we should avoid, the threading, waxing, bleaching, all of the laser treatments. So I have seen people, they're going to be doing, they go to the salon, they do a facial, they do a bleach just 1 or 2 days prior, and then your skin is already sensitive because of using certain alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acids, and then the next day or 2 days later you're playing holy in the sun, and causing all those allergies, photo allergy, because there's a lot of
Yeah,
sunlight also. So you're not only having
yeah.
exposure to different kind of colors, you're scrubbing the skin, people are applying it all over your face, your eye area, and you already damaged, or the skin is already slightly disturbed because barrier is disturbed because of the facial or the laser or the threading or the waxing, so this should be avoided.
But what about getting a treatment after?
So again, after, we should wait for about at least a week till your skin has settled down. And this is especially applicable what I've seen for people who already have a sensitive skin. So people who've already got eczemas, or they've got some kind of a dermatitis, or they've got rosacea, they should consult their dermatologist a week prior, or 10 days prior, keep an appointment, check the do's and don'ts, as we are discussing, because later to correct the damage is, again, as you said, we can get allergies, we can get folliculitis, so then we are treating that as per need of the patient.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's a good tip to ensure that you're not taking any treatment on your skin before, at least about 3 to 4 days before and 3 to 4 days after you've played Holi. So if you really want to look super at any of your Holi Milan parties, please ensure you're only playing with herbal colors, and please ensure you have a good sunblock on. And importantly, and this is the tip I think everybody forgets, you have to keep reapplying the sunblock every 2 hours, because it loses its impact after that. So that's how you do it in middle of colors is something I don't have an answer to. So please figure it out and let
I
me
don't think that's
also know.
possible.
Yes.
I don't think you can apply it between the colors, because you already have color
Yeah.
on your face. That's not a good. That's not so. Better to play it. Have a short duration of
Huh.
your contact with the colors. You can enjoy elsewhere.
Huh.
You can enjoy in different ways. So don't expose
Yeah.
yourself too much for maybe more than an hour or 2 hours. I think that really helps.
Okay, if you can apply it, good for you. If you can't, God bless you as well. So the idea is, in middle of all of this, just remember to also have fun. The day is designed to sort of, they keep saying "Bura na mano Holi hai," so just remember that as well. Remember the spirit of Holi, but a bit of caution here and a bit of tips to ensure that you actually go out and have fun over there. So thank you, Dr. Vandana, for that.
You're most welcome.